Good Wednesday morning, everyone, November 19th, 2025. The word for today will be coming from Mark chapter 11, verses 21, 22, 23, and 24, which says, And Peter calling to remembrance said unto them, Master, behold, the fig tree which thou cursed is withered away. And Jesus answering said unto them, Have faith in God. For verily I say unto you, that whosoever shall say unto this mountain, Be thou removed, and be thou cast into the sea, and shall not doubt in his heart, but shall believe that those things which he saith shall come to pass, he shall have whatsoever he saith. Therefore I say unto you, what things soever you desire, when you pray, believe that you receive them, and you shall have them. Amen. God bless you, everyone, and enjoy the day God gave you. Essie.